morning, my name is Avinit Mandal. Today I will going to show you how to make a touch sensor in breadboard. Materials required for this are 9-volt battery, BC547 transistor, a LED of any color, 2K ohm resistor and 2 solder wires. Now I will show you how to connect it. First I will take the LED of any color and put in these 2 holes. Then I will take the BC547 transistor and then I will put in these 3 holes. Now I will take the 2K ohm resistor and put into these 2 holes. Now I will take the 9-volt battery and place the positive terminal of the battery into this hole and the negative terminal of the battery into this hole. And now I will attach the two solder wires into this hole. Now I will show the touch sensor how it's work. Thank you for watching.